Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vinayak. I have secured 47th rank this year. Last year, I secured 322nd rank, and I was in Indian Trade Service before this. My speech or whatever you say will be very short. I have sore throat. Sorry for that. So first of all, I'd like to bust some myths. They've already been busted by many toppers who've come and said, but still, one is one is regarding the handwriting. You don't need very good handwriting in the civil services. I don't even know how to write cursive. I write broken. So one is that your handwriting should be legible. That is all. Second, you need to have a very good flowery English. No, you don't need to have that. You need to have, again, very simple English which can be understood by the examiner. Writing very flowery English can be sometimes even counterproductive in the general studies. Third is the background you come from. It doesn't matter you're an IITian, NITian, or you've done IIM, you come from a small college. You can make it through if you've studied the syllabus right and you've developed that personality which is required. Next is the 14 to 16 hours study myth. You don't need that also. You just need you need to be consistent. 8 to 10 hours, whatever is required, that is enough. Just study the syllabus properly. The issue with me in the first attempt was also, I started reading books. Like for polity, I'll read Lakshmikant. For economics, maybe I'll go through Mrunal sir's notes. For this, I'll go through this NCERT. Study the syllabus first. What is written in the syllabus, go through each word of syllabus. That is more important than going through the books. So I missed out on many things because I didn't go through the syllabus. Those questions came, I couldn't answer. So just go through the syllabus always. Frequently go through the syllabus, see what has been left. Even in the interview, we should just have a look at the syllabus once. Then the other thing is having short-term targets. It's not always possible to stay motivated. So I didn't make very long-term targets. My targets were like कि 1 month, एक महीने बाद यार दशहरा आएगा, फिर I'll go meet my friends, गुड़गांव चला जाऊँगा, थोड़ा पार्टी कर लूँगा. फिर 2 महीने बाद या न्यू ईयर आएगा, मतलब अभी पढ़ लेता हूँ, 1-2 महीना पढ़ लेता हूँ, देन न्यू ईयर आई विल गो मीट माई फ्रेंड्स, आई विल गो आउट विद द फैमिली. सो ट्राई टू हैव सम इंसेंटिव्स फॉर यू. छोटे ही सही कि ठीक है, आई विल कंप्लीट दीज चैप्टर्स, आई विल वॉच अ मूवी. दैट वर्क फॉर मी, माइट नॉट वर्क फॉर अदर्स, बट दिस इज़ वन गुड थिंग आई फाउंड कि ट्राई टू मेक शॉर्ट टर्म टारगेट्स, दे विल हेल्प यू इन द लॉन्ग रन. The other is regarding toppers videos. They are very helpful, I'd say. Ki watching videos of someone who secured 5th rank, 10th rank, 12th rank, try to borrow whatever you can implement yourself. There is not everything you will be able to implement. I found this video, I don't remember the name. He told that introduction and conclusion are very important. Introduction is where the examiner gets the impression, and conclusion is after which he gives the marks. So I tried to, I just imbibed that ki introduction and conclusion have to be very good in my answers. So I tried to use that. The same topper also said I used to make voice notes and send that. I found that I cannot do that. So you don't need to take everything from everyone. Take what you can think it is practically possible. Don't study anything which you can't revise. Nothing. How so important it is. If you can't revise, don't study it. Instead of studying 4 books once, study 1 book 4 times. Revision is one of the most important things. I stuck to 1 book, 1 resource for each of my subjects, be it polity, economics, environment, whatever it is, and revised it multiple times. So that is one thing. Another thing I'd say, in the examination, I found those 5 minutes very important, which you are given for reading the question paper. So in those 5 minutes, what I did, like in GS1, I used to forget कि यार maps बनाना है और ये सब करना है, flow charts बनाना है. तो in those 5 minutes, I would go through the entire question paper and see कि हाँ ये geography का है, इसमें map बनाया जा सकता है. I would mark those questions. So for those 5 minutes, I utilized very well. GS2 में हाँ इन आंसर्स में जजमेंट्स लिखने, बिकॉज आई डिडंट डू अ लॉट ऑफ आंसर राइटिंग विच आई शुड हैव डन. बट अगर आपने ये नहीं किया है तो वो जो शुरुआत के 5 मिनट है उनको यूटिलाइज़ करके कि हाँ इस क्वेश्चन में आप मैप बना सकते हो, इस क्वेश्चन में आप फ्लो चार्ट बना सकते हो, ये क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं आता है ये आप एंड में अटैम्प्ट कर सकते हो. ये चीज़ आप अगर 5 मिनट्स के अंदर कर लेते हो, इट हेल्प्स यू लॉट इन योर पेपर. So you try to use those 5 minutes very judiciously, I would say. And one thing I'm giving very random talks, but those are the important points that came to my mind. Regarding the importance of current affairs and static, vis-a-vis prelims, I would say it is always the static portion that helps. Current affairs आप कितना ही पढ़ लो किसी इंस्टीट्यूट से, कितना क्या कर लो, तो in the end it is the static portion of the standard books which will help. करंट अफेयर्स में ऐसा होगा कि आपने बहुत पढ़ा है, आपको जो आ रहा है वो सामने वाले को भी आता है, और जो उसे नहीं आता वो आपको भी नहीं आएगा. मोर और लेस आपने, इफ़ यू हैव गॉन थ्रू द स्टैंडर्ड किसी कोचिंग का मटेरियल, करंट अफेयर्स यू विल बी एबल टू इम्प्लीमेंट. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज स्टैटिक. गो थ्रू लक्ष्मीकांत, गो थ्रू economics and geography NCERTs very well. They do help a lot, so go through them multiple times. And last, I'd say friends do play a very important role. Maintain a very good circle. Whoever says negative things, try to keep away from them. मेरे को कोई बोलता था यार तेरी जॉब नहीं है, फिर नहीं हुआ तो क्या करेगा, तो पहले तो मैं उससे बात करना बंद कर देता था. मैं लगी कोई नहीं, जब हो जाएगा तब बात करेंगे. So try to keep away from them. There are a lot of people who will try to motivate you. Try to stay close with them. Try to find good mentors. And the last of all, try to be brutally honest with you. Don't try to fool yourself. Whatever it is, be brutally honest with yourself. You will go through it. Just go through the syllabus and keep the consistency. Thank you.